Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my January favourites. So the first favourite video of the year, which is really exciting. I hope you all had a fantastic January. I know as you're watching this we are in the early days of February, but even so I hope you had a wonderful start to the year. I really hope that you enjoyed the giveaway that I did for my last sit down video as well. It went so well. So many of you entered, which was crazy, so thank you so much. I really hope that I can actually do more of those throughout the year as well when I hit big milestones, so maybe 550,000, hopefully 6,000. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled on this channel for more giveaways, and thank you again if you entered, and congratulations to the winner. Don't forget to go across to my blog post and you'll find who the winners are on there. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you. So I've been thinking about how to move forward for this year with my favourites videos. I noticed that a lot of the time I do show the same yarns because I really like those yarns and that's what I'm using, so I share them with you. So I might kind of switch things up month to month and share different things with you just to kind of keep things interesting and fresh, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not going to say that every month is going to be exactly the same setup as my previous videos, but hopefully you'll still find them interesting. So I'm going to start with some yarn which I have been loving, and I think that a lot of these I have shared before, but as I say, they're yarns that I love. So the first one is Millimia Naturally Soft Aran. This is honestly one of my favourites. I love it. It's so soft. It's just absolutely beautiful. It comes in gorgeous colours. I'm just going to get this out here. I actually started making a hat for Ella. This is one of the simple ones that I do, where you just kind of create one long piece and then make it into a circle and cinch it in at the top. And also with that, the idea was to put a really fluffy pom-pom on top, which I adore. I used to sell these in the store when I had the Coco store, but I love that. I love it. I think I was going to do two because I also have another one. I think I was going to do a double pom-pom one, but I haven't actually touched that project for a little while now because I'm not sure if I'm going to do something slightly different for the hat. I'm not quite decided yet. So, but Millimia Naturally Soft Aran, love. The second yarn that I've been loving, and this is for a project that I've done recently, and you'll see about that project at the end of this month. So that is Paintbox Simply Aran in this mustard colour, so pretty. I think it's called mustard yellow. But the code for the Aran is 223. As I've said for a while now, I am favouring Aran weight and chunky yarns just because they're quicker, and with time restraints they just, you know, crochet up quicker. But I've been loving that, particularly that colour as well. I'm going to contradict myself slightly now. This is an exception for yarn weights because I always feel like when it's coming up to springtime I start to like pull out the cotton a little bit more. These are beautiful. These colours in particular are beautiful as well, but I'm really loving the Paintbox Yarns Cotton DK. I just think, I don't know why, but springtime I just start to reach for cotton yarns. Do you have a particular yarn that you love at particular times of the year? Let me know, leave me a comment in the description box below. And then I'm also loving these two yarns. So I'm working on a project at the moment, not with this particular colour, with a different colour, but with Karen Simply Soft. This colour is beautiful. This is actually one of the ones which was in the giveaway, and it's just so pretty. It's Robin's Egg and I just love it. That colour is just divine. I just love how soft this is, and I love the weight of the yarn as well. It is classed as an Aran weight yarn, and it's just really nice. And then also, even though spring is around the corner, I'm still holding on to those chunkier yarns. I've seen a lot of projects with this lately, and I'm going to dig some of my yarn out and make some more with this. but this is the Banat baby blanket. This is in the shade Seafoam. I just love all those types of colours. If you followed me for a while, you'll know that I love these kinds of colours. So yeah, this is really nice. I love the feel of it. Banat have also brought out a velvet yarn, which is arriving soon to my house. So excited. But yeah, Banat I'm loving. I love this one, and hopefully I love the look of the velvet one. I hope I love it as much as this one as well. So there are all the yarns that I've been loving. I was also kindly sent a book from a lovely lady who said that she has followed me for a while and she has done a couple of books. She sent me this one. It's a spring collection one, which is perfect because spring is my favourite time of year, and she actually says that she's got more books on the way. I mean, I think the woman's a machine. She just keeps putting them out there. But this is the spring collection by Wendy Van Delden? Wendy Van Delden. Sorry, I pronounced your name wrong. But it's just really, really pretty. Some gorgeous projects in there. I think it appeals to me because there's just some really nice colours. There's this bunting in here, which is super, super nice. It's just a really nice book. So there are like cardigans, decorative bits that you can put on bags, pillows, blankets, just really, really pretty. This reminds me actually, cardigans and jumpers is something that I really want to try this year, and once I feel like I've mastered the skill, I'll come up with a pattern and I'll do a tutorial, because it is highly, highly requested to do something like that on this channel. So hopefully this year I will be able to do that, but I am really, really eager to get stuck in and do something. So maybe I'll do something out of this book just to gain my confidence and then go from there, because we all need to start somewhere, don't we? So speaking of 2019, I have some really, really exciting things coming up. So make sure that you keep your eye out on this channel, on my social media and things, because I think that you will really be excited about it, hopefully as much as I am. Sorry to be all cryptic, but I don't want to speak about it yet until it's like fully into motion. It's like 98% there. So yeah, keep your eye out for that. So now I'm going to talk about some accounts which I've been loving, and I have been obsessed with a couple of them just lately. The first one is the lovely Ashley at Sorella. I actually messaged her and I was saying I'm pretty much stalking you right now, because I was just going through all of her things. She has a really good blog. Especially like the business side of things. For me, that is obviously something that's really important to me, but she's got an amazing blog, a lovely account, so go and check her out if you don't know her already. I'm sure you probably do. And then the other is Tony at TL Yarn Crafts. She is just super lovely, just a really nice personality. She's got a lovely Instagram and blog as well, and again she's kind of she talks a lot about like businessy kind of things, which obviously from my point of view I really enjoy, and I think probably a lot of you will as well, especially if you're taking your passion into a business. So go and check her out. I actually purchased a handheld garment steamer under her influence. So yeah, both of those I've been absolutely loving. If you haven't seen them already, go and check them out. Let them know that I sent you across to their accounts. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to talk about this month. I did wonder whether I was going to continue with the monthly giveaway or just stick to like larger giveaways, because it's been really, really well received. So I'm not going to put a hashtag here this month, just until I figure out exactly what I'm going to do going forward. It might be that I do a giveaway every other month and it's a slightly larger one rather than smaller little ones. I don't know. Let me know what you would like to see and how you would like me to do it. because I know that some people were finding it a little bit restrictive as well because the hashtag was only on Instagram. So I'm going to have a little bit of time to think about what I'm going to do with that and then let you know in my next monthly favourites video. But thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all my latest videos. Remember, if you subscribe, I hit that next milestone much quicker and I'll give another huge giveaway. So as I say, maybe at 550,000, that would be amazing. I think we're on 520 something, which is pretty cool. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I shall see you again next time. Bye!